Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is LB Candelaria uh, from, uh, mm, from the Philippines, and I'm
How
what's
old are
that?
you? How old are
30,
you?
36 years old,
Are you single or married?
single.
You're single. So, okay. When would you be able to start working? When can you start for a new job?
Uh, March 28, 2011.
No. When can you start for a new job? Immediately, you can start for a new employer. You can start with a new employer.
Ma'am, I want immediately.
Okay, so you can start immediately because you're on a canceled visa,
Yes,
right?
madam. Yes,
Okay. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please describe your last job. What was your last job?
My last job, ma'am, I'm all around housemaid, clean, Aaron, and
Uh-huh.
uh,
Clean,
uh,
iron. Do you cook for them also?
Iwa, madam, yes,
You cook for
all
them.
around,
Okay, so do they have children, your employer?
yeah.
How
My
many children were under your
employer,
care? How many children were under your care?
three baby, ma'am.
Three children. How old were the children?
The first baby is 8 years old,
Mm-hmm.
second 7 years old, and the last one is 5 years old.
Okay, good. So, what did you like most about your last job and why? What did you enjoy doing in your last job?
I enjoy, ma'am, if the baby go with me and play, then like that.
Okay, you enjoyed looking after the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of foods you can cook?
I cook, ma'am, biryani,
Mm-hmm.
saluna,
Mm-hmm.
uh, because the favorite of the baby, biryani, saluna, and chicken and rice, like that only, ma'am.
Okay, so can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Ma'am?
Can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
No, ma'am.
You cannot follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. So, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
If the go play, madam,
Mm-hmm.
outside, and sometimes baby uh, together with me and watching TV like that.
So you enjoy playing with the children. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
what do children like best about you? What do children like best about you? What do they like about you, the children? Yes, what do they like about you? Are you a caring nanny? Uh,
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay. Nani.
they like you because you're a caring nanny. Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do? If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do, dear?
First aid, ma'am.
You will comfort the child. Okay, are you going to call your employer to inform them what happened to the child?
That, yes, I call madam.
Okay, good. So, are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping? Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping? For example, tidying the things of the child, cleaning the room of the child. It's okay with you?
Yeah.
It's okay? Doing those things while the baby is sleeping?
Ma'am, no.
No. Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child? Could you say no to a child? For example, the child asks, the child wants to play with a scissor or a knife. Are you
Ah,
going? Are you going to say
ma'am,
yes?
allow the baby play like that.
Yes, you're going to say no, of course, because it's dangerous for the child, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes po.
Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Uh, I clean the baby first,
Mm-hmm.
then play like that.
Okay.
Then what she want of the baby, I give her.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what kind of a nanny are you? Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have that makes you a good nanny or an excellent nanny?
Uh, I
Mm-hmm.
I the baby mom.
Mm-hmm.
This is my baby. I care. I
Okay.
give. I love him.
Mm-hmm. So you're a caring and a loving nanny,
As in my baby like that.
as if you treat them like your own child.
Yeah.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidTV.com. Thank you.